Oh, I forgot all the training equipment was sent to the stadium already. We can't train without it.
What do you need?
First, we need our grid. It should look like 2 equal signs crossing each other, okay? And should make 9 squares.
Okay, do you hear that, Pencil? Doodle-doodle-doo. 1, 2, 3, 4.
All right, here's how it works. The cross team fills a square first, then a circle team, and we keep taking turns until someone makes a line of 3. Got it?
I think so.
Great. I'm the cross team, and you're the circle team. Put the first cross in the middle for me. Now pick a spot for a circle. My turn, bottom left corner for me.
Ha! I know.
Nice! Now, top left for me.
I win!
Actually, you lose.
I lose! But at least you're not drowning anymore.
Well, I always lose against Bill the Nil. We've been rivals since we were babies. Anyways, you should totally practice more.
Right, Pencil, let's do this.
Nice! At this rate, we can't lose. Welcome to the team, Doodle Girl. Come on, we have a final to win.